Yeah, English.
Okay. Okay, so we are starting from here. My name is Susmita and I'm your tour guide. So this whole plantation is more than 80 acres, but I'm going to show you only the 1 acre. That's for the demonstration. So you heard about the Goan famous alcohol?
Yes.
It's
Feni.
Cashew Feni, and this is the demo Cashew Feni distillery. Cashew is a seasonal crop. We are getting only for the 3 months. That's the March, April and May. So now I don't have the real fruit to show you. So here I have the model of the cashew fruit. So it looks like this. So this is the cashew apple on the top, and there's one nut attached to the apple. That's the cashew nut. So nut we are sending to the factory for further processing. And we are collecting the cashew apples and we are squeezing it by our legs. After squeezing we collect the juice. That juice we are keeping for fermentation for 7 to 8 days. After fermentation, take 50% juice in the big vessel. Seal here, put fire and continuously boil it. After boiling, vapor passes from this pipe to the small vessel. And at that time, we are pouring continuous water on the pipe. So the vapor is automatically converted into the liquid, condensation. So first distill which we are going to get is Hurrak. It contains 9 to 10% of the alcohol. Repeat the same process, take 50% Hurrak and 50% fermented juice. Again boil it. So the second distill which we are going to get is Cashew Feni, and it contains 40 to 45% of the alcohol. So if you take 1 spoon Feni, then it helps like a medicine. Good for chest cold, cough, upset stomach or for the blood circulation. But if you take more than 1 spoon, then you are ready to take up. It's a very strong. So, and if you want to enjoy the Feni, then it goes very good with Limca or with the lemonade. Okay?
Thank you.
The plants of betel nut, supari, vakka. I think you are calling it vakka. Okay? So these are the plants of betel nut. Like straight on the top you can see the fruits. First it comes in green, then orange, then harvested dried. After drying, that husk will be peeled off, and inside that husk you will get a hard nut. Okay, that's the betel nut. It is also called as the legal drug of India. So if you have the raw one, it will makes you high. Dried one is very good for the digestion. And just now you had lunch, right?
Yes.
That plate is made with the betel nut leaf. That's the very leathery, very hard, easy to catch, biodegradable, use and throw also. Cinnamon, Darjeeling. Outer part for this outer skin we are using as a cinnamon, and this plant takes at least 9 to 10 years to get mature. Then cut down the branches and dry them. After drying, bark will be separated from the wood and we are getting cinnamon. And we also extract the cinnamon oil. So that oil is good for joint pain, muscle pain, arthritis, spondylitis, even for the sinus. But this oil is also very strong and concentrated, so we have to mix it with the base oil. And cinnamon leaves we are using as a bay leaf, as a tej patta, but not the original one. So like in Goa, we are not getting the original tej patta, so as a substitute, we are using cinnamon leaves. That's the piri piri or peri peri chili. So you heard about the piri piri sauce, peri peri masala, right? So in Goa, we are calling Portugali chili or bird eye chili. So this is almost the maximum size. One chili is equal to 4-5 normal chilies. So we are using the chili only for making pickle, papad, chutney, chicken, for making sauces, and it always comes in the upward direction. Other chilies always goes in the downward direction. And first it comes in green, so it is mild in taste. After maturing, it turns into the red color. And if you had that one red color chili, then you can dance without any music. It's a very spicy. So like lemongrass is very good for cold and cough problems. And we also extract all from the same part of the lemongrass. So that all is good for skin problems like dark circles, open pores. But you have to mix it with the almond oil. Okay? Sorry.
Ginger.
These are the plants of ginger. So just like a turmeric and ginger belongs to the same family. Both are the root or the rhizome crops, and just like a turmeric, when ginger also get mature inside, this plant also dries itself. Then take it, harvest it, clean it. And ginger is also very good for cold cough and especially for the upset stomach. And these are the husk of the betel nut. We are using is as a compost. Yeah. Yeah. All spice, Chinese spice you can say, or sarva sugandhi, panchpat or kebab chini. So like you will get 5 flavors, like 5 different flavors of the spices in this one. Yeah, that's the cinnamon, cardamom, clove, nutmeg and pepper, dalchini, ilaichi, lavang, pepper and jaifal, all the 5 different flavors in the one. And also you will get the fruits like black pepper, but after planting it takes 15 years to get first fruit of the allspice. After that comes every year. So there is no medicinal use for this, only for the flavor, only for the fragrance you can use. Sarva Sugandhi. Sarva Sugandhi. Yeah, elaichi. There are 2 types of elaichi. One is the black elaichi and one is the green elaichi. This one is the green elaichi. So it is the 3rd most expensive spice in the world, also called as the queen of the spices. And it always comes in the shoots at the bottom, like here you can see. Like from bottom, first shoots will come out, then you will get the flowers and then cardamoms. So like, no. So if we have one cardamom, then it helps like a mouth freshener, also reduce the travel sickness. The inner seeds of cardamom is good for anti-depression. Outer husk helps to sharp the memory.
Next, madam.
Okay, so here you can see the taller tree with the thin trunk. It's the plant of clove. Lavangam. Okay, so we are getting cloves once in a year. Always comes at the end of the branches and in bunches. So it is a bud of a flower. Before it blooms, we have to harvest it and we have to dry it. If it gets open, then it is waste. Okay, and we also extract the clove oil. Clove oil is very good for toothache problem. Also acts as an insect or as a mosquito repellent. And like when you are going to buy clove in the market, always go for the blackish brown clove. So if it is black and dry, then it is maybe a second quality clove, because sometimes they extract the oil and then they sell it to the market. So always go for the blackish brown clove.
Second quality.
Thank you. That's the climber of vanilla. So you heard about the vanilla, right? Vanilla is sweet. So that's the climber of vanilla. And vanilla is the second most expensive spice in the world. First is the saffron that we can't grow in Goa because it needs a cold climate. After planting, it takes 4 years to bloom first flower. When the flower blooms, then nature doesn't help them to pollinate. We have to manually pollinate because it is originally from the Mexico, and the highest production of the vanilla is in the Madagascar because there's the hummingbirds to pollinate them. But like in India, we don't have that particular hummingbird, so we have to manually pollinate.
Where is Madagascar?
Sorry?
Madagascar. Which place? Madagascar.
So there is the hummingbirds to pollinate them, but like in India we don't have them. So we have to manually pollinate. After pollination, it takes 9 months to get ready the vanilla stick, just like a human baby. And like from 30 to 40,000 sticks of vanilla, you will get only 1 liter of the vanilla essence. And from that 1 liter, 50% goes to the pharmacy for medicinal uses, 30% for Coca-Cola factory, remaining 20% for ice cream or for the perfumery factory. So normally what we are getting in the market is the artificial or the synthetic essence. You can see the fruits like a lemon, kiwi, jhadikai, jhadipatri. So we are getting 2 spices from the same fruit, that's the mace and nutmeg, jhadikai and jhadipatri. So when this fruit get mature inside, it opens itself from the center. So first you will get one red color flower, that's the jhadipatri. Afterwards you will get the hard shell, and inside that shell you will get the jhadikai.
What is the age of that tree?
9 months. Yeah, it will take at least 9 months to get like from first stage to the last stage. So from that outer shell we are making pickle. So the mace is used for preparing a tear gas, pepper spray for the mace spray, and the nutmeg we are mostly using in garam masalas and in sweet dishes. But if we have it in the high quantity, it will also make us sleepy or drowsy. So always have in the pinches, not in the spoons. Okay? Coffee beans. The small green color fruits on the top, that's the coffee beans. So coffee also first comes in the green. After maturing, it turns into the cherry red color. Then harvest it dried. After drying, that skin will be peel off. So first we are getting green coffee. And when we are roasting that green coffee, then we are getting normal roasted or brown coffee. So unless or until the roasting, we are not getting any smell or any color for the coffee. For the
ఫిషింగ్ ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్
it's a normal
round like
water,
that.
other pot normal water, and we added lavender oil in it. So lavender is very good for the relaxation. So I'm going to pour little bit water on your spinal cord, and this is the magic water, so it doesn't stain your clothes. So just put it and turn back.
అట్లా పోస్తారంటే పోయిపించుకో అది
ఏంటి సార్ అది ఏమన్నారు
లెవెండర్ స్పైనల్ కార్డ్ పైన
బ్యాక్ పెయిన్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే పోతుంది అంట తగ్గిందండి ఇది తగ్గిందా
anything else to continue? Right, it's over. So we can leave.
మేడం we can leave final
If you want to purchase the spices,
Yeah,
then
we'll
we
buy.
have the
Thank you so much. Thank you for the information.
వంశీ రావాలి అది
ఈయనకు రెండు పోయాలి.
If you think of a spices, and it is the first discovered spice, and like from one pepper we are getting 4 types of different pepper. So that's the green, red, white and black. Harvesting and processing is different. Like now, you can look at straight on the top, you can see. So first it comes in green color. After maturing, it turns into the red color. So take a green or red one, soak it in the salt water for 4-5 days, so the color will remain same. That ones you can use in pickles, salads, or for food decoration. If you want white pepper, then take a red one, boil it in the water. After boiling, that skin will be peel off, so you'll get white pepper. And if you want black pepper, then take a red one, directly keep in the sun for drying, so it will become a black pepper. So white pepper is mild in taste, black pepper is strong in taste. White pepper is good for eyesight, and black pepper is good for acidity, constipation or gastric problems.
మిరియాలు
Mineral is good.
Curry, kokum sharbat.
యా
Welcome to Grow Welcome. Okay, so this is the plant of kokum. And kokum is a summer season crop. We are getting only in the summer season. So we are making kokum curry as well as kokum sharbat. Kokum sharbat helps to reduce the body heat, and kokum curry is very good for the digestion.
नहीं किया बोल के पूछो देना उसको
अरे फोटो दे फोटो दी जल्दी बोला फ्रेंड